Welcome back, travelers! Today, we're embarking on a truly enchanting journey aboard the legendary Venice Simplon Orient Express. Step into a world of refined luxury and timeless elegance as we transverse through stunning landscapes and delve into the captivating history of this iconic train. With meticulously restored carriages from the golden age of travel, this is an experience that promises to transport you back in time. Get ready to indulge in impeccable service, savor exquisite cuisine, and marvel at the breathtaking scenery that unfolds outside your window. So sit back, relax, and join us as we embark on a mesmerizing adventure aboard the Venice Simplon Orient Express. The Venice Simplon Orient Express is not just a train, it is a captivating journey that encapsulates the essence of a bygone era. Stepping aboard this iconic luxury train is like entering a time machine, instantly transporting you to the glamorous and elegant world of the early 20th century. Imbued with a sense of nostalgia and charm, the meticulously restored carriages from the 1920s and 1930s allow you to immerse yourself in a truly unique and immersive experience. From the polished wood paneling of the ornate Art Deco details, every aspect of the train evokes a sense of opulence and history. The dedication to preserving the authenticity of this remarkable train is evident in every meticulously crafted detail. As you embark on this extraordinary journey, you can expect nothing less than unparalleled service that reflects the grandeur and sophistication of a bygone era. The Venice Simplon Orient Express is an enchanting time capsule that invites you to relive the elegance and splendor of a golden age of travel. Impeccable craftsmanship and a deep reverence for history are evident in every carriage of the Venice Simplon Orient Express. Each one has undergone a meticulous restoration process, breathing new life into these iconic symbols of luxury travel. The authentic details and charm of a bygone era have been painstakingly preserved, from the plush upholstery that beckons you to sink in its embrace to the intricate marquetry that adorns the walls. Every inch of the train exudes a sense of timeless elegance, transporting you to an era when travel was a glamorous affair. No details is overlooked in creating a truly indulgent experience. Luxurious amenities and comforts, carefully curated to align with the train's historic legacy, are seamlessly integrated into the carriages. From the crisp linen and plump pillows to the sumptuous beds to the gleaming fixtures in the lavatories, every element is designed to ensure your utmost comfort and enjoyment. Prepare to be enchanted by the attention to detail that transforms each carriage into a luxurious sanctuary where you can relish in the opulence and immerse yourself in the grandeur of a bygone era. From the moment you step into your luxurious cabin aboard the Venice Simplon Orient Express, you will be transported to a world of privilege and elegance. The sleeping compartments are a testament to exquisite design, with polished wood paneling, lavish fabrics, and elegant furnishings that evoke the splendor of a bygone era. As you settle in, you'll find yourself surrounded by opulence, enveloped in an atmosphere of refined comfort. However, it is the dedicated stewards of the train who truly elevate the experience to new heights. Trained in the art of impeccable service, they are committed to ensuring that every aspect of your journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Attentive and anticipatory, these stewards provide a level of care and attention that harks back to a time when personalized service was the norm. Whether it's arranging for your preferred newspaper or beverage, delivering fresh towels and toiletries, or providing expert assistance with any request, the stewards of the Venice Simplon Orient Express go above and beyond to ensure your utmost satisfaction. Their professionalism and genuine warmth create an atmosphere of ease and luxury throughout your journey. Dining aboard the Venice Simplon Orient Express is a gastronomic journey that transcends mere sustenance. It is an exquisite culinary experience that delights the senses and indulges the plate. The onboard chefs are true masters of their craft, meticulously curating menus that showcase the flavors and ingredients of the regions traversed by the train. Drawing inspiration from the rich culinary traditions of each destination, they artfully combine local delicacies with international influences, resulting in harmonious fusion of flavors that captivate the taste buds. As you step into the elegant dining cars, you are transported to a world where fine dining takes center stage. The tables are adorned with crisp white linens, gleaming silverware, and delicate crystal glassware, creating a scene of refined sophistication. Every meal is a work of art, meticulously prepared and beautifully presented. From the tantalizing appetizers to the decadent desserts, Each dish is a testament to the culinary prowess of the onboard chefs. Savor each bite as you gaze out of the window, where picturesque landscapes unfold in a mesmerizing dance of colors and shapes. The dining cars provide the perfect backdrop for unforgettable meals, where every course is savored in an ambience of elegance and luxury. Indulge in the exquisite flavors, let the fine wines dance on your palate, and allow yourself to be swept away by the symphony of tastes and aromas. Dining on board on Venice Simplon Orient Express is not just about the food. It is a celebration of the art of gastronomy. It is an experience that transcends time and place, where the culinary creations and impeccable service come together to create a truly memorable journey. Whether it's a leisurely breakfast, a sumptuous lunch, or an elegant dinner, each meal aboard this iconic train is a feast for the senses, leaving you with unforgettable culinary memories that will linger long after your journey comes to an end. Beyond the exquisite interiors of gastronomic delights, the Venice Simplon Orient Express takes you on a captivating journey through breathtaking European landscapes. From the romantic canals of Venice to the majestic Alps and beyond, the train traverses some of the most scenic routes on the continent. Admire picturesque countryside, charming villages, and iconic landmarks as you relax in the comfort of the train, making memories that will last a lifetime. In conclusion, the Venice Simplon Orient Express stands as a beacon of unparalleled luxury, history, and adventure. Stepping aboard this iconic train is akin to stepping back in time, immersing yourself in the golden age of travel when elegance and refinement were paramount. The meticulously restored carriages, adorned with their intricate details and plush furnishings, transport you to an era where luxury knew no bounds. As you journey on this extraordinary train, the exceptional service provided by the dedicated staff ensures that your every need is met with grace and attentiveness, further enhancing the sense of indulgence and exclusivity. The Venice Simplon Orient Express promises an adventure through time where every moment is steeped in elegance and refinement. It embodies the epitome of luxury train travel, transporting you to a world where every detail is meticulously designed to evoke a sense of awe and wonder. Prepare to be captivated as you embark on this unforgettable journey through history, immersing yourself in a realm of opulence and sophistication. The Venice Simplon Orient Express is an invitation to experience the grandeur of a bygone era and create memories that will last a lifetime. As our journey aboard the Venice Simplon Orient Express comes to a close, we bid farewell to this extraordinary world of luxury, elegance, and adventure. We have experienced the epitome of refined travel, where meticulously restored carriages, exceptional service, gourmet cuisine, and breathtaking scenery intertwine to create an unparalleled experience. The Venice Simplon Orient Express has transported us back in time, allowing us to relive the golden age of travel and indulge in the pleasures of a bygone era. As we disembark from this iconic train, we carry with us cherished memories and a profound appreciation for the artistry and craftsmanship that went into creating this remarkable journey. Thank you for joining us on this virtual voyage through time, and may the allure of the Venice Simplon Orient Express continue to captivate and inspire your wanderlust. Until we meet again on our next adventure, safe travels!